morning children, welcome to the online classes. Children, in the last class we were learning about how to write Roman numerals. Okay children, and how to convert into Hindu Arabic and Hindu Arabic to Roman numerals. So children, today we will learn some rules are there children. How to addition to Roman numerals and how to subtract Roman numerals. See children, rules used to write a number in Roman numerals. What is the heading children? Rules used to write a number in Roman numerals. See children, here for addition and subtraction we have one of the rules children. See children, what is that? Addition rule. What is that children? Addition rule. When a smaller number is written on the right side, what is that children? Right side of a greater number, then the smaller number is added to the greater number. Once again see children, when a smaller number is written on the right of a greater number, then the smaller number is added to the greater number. See children, here we have some Roman numerals are there children. For example, see children how to write for this one. Children, V means that one is 5. So what is the V means 5. So 5 of the right side we have two numbers are there children. Two Roman numbers are there. So right side only. So right side means what is that? That means addition. What is that children? Addition to the greater number. Right side we have the Roman numeral means that means addition to greater number. 5 means V means 5 and plus addition means right side we have the Roman numerals means add here children. So V means 5 plus 1 and plus 1. What is the answer children? 7. What is that answer? 7. So see children, first we want to observe the given Roman numerals are which one is greater and which one is smaller, and where the smaller is the right side or left side, that only important children. Next see children, here we have 10. X means 10. What is that? 10. V means 5. So X is bigger number, greater number, and for the greater number we have right side only 5 Roman numerals. So that means addition. So X means 10. So right side how means we want to add here. We should add here children 5. V means 5. That is equal to 15. Okay children. Next children, D. What is the value of D? In Hindu Arabic children, D means 500. So write here D 500. And next other Roman numerals are only smaller numbers. So that's why we should add here. V means 5 and plus 1. That equal to 500 plus 5. 505 plus 1. 506. Answer is 506. And next number see children. M. M means what is the Roman numeral and Hindu Arabic numeral for M children? 1000. What is that children? 1000. So 1000 is the greater number. And next one D. D means 500. C means 100. L means 50. X means 10. So all are smaller number only. So for M we have right side of the Roman numerals means that we should add here. So M means 100, 1000 and D means 500 plus and C means 100 and again we have C 100 plus L means 50 plus X means 10 and after we have two number means that one is 2. So what is the total answer children? 1000 plus 500 1500 1500 plus 100 1600 1600 plus 100 60 1700 50 60 means 1762. What is the answer children? 1762. 1000 plus 500 1500 1600 1700 50 62. So what is the total answer? 1762. So what is the definition see children? Addition rule. When a smaller number is written on the right side, first we observe which number is on right side. So that is smaller or greater, we should check once children. So right of a greater number, then the smaller number is added to the greater number. Okay children. Next rule, subtraction rule. See children here, when a smaller number is written on the left side of a greater number, then the smaller number is subtracted from the greater number. See children, so we have one of the greater Roman numeral. For the greater Roman numeral, we have left side, the smaller number is there, means we want to subtract from greater number to smaller number. See children, once again subtraction rule. When a smaller number is written on the left side, where is that children? Left side. In addition, we have to see right side. In subtraction, we have to see left side of a greater number. Then the smaller number is subtracted from the greater number. Okay, see children, here we have some examples are there children. 1V. So 1 is means 1 only. V means 5. So 5 is bigger number. So greater number. Greater number of the left side we have smaller number. That means from greater number to smaller number we have to subtract. See children, 5. So left side we have the smaller number. That means minus 1. That equal to 4. What is that children? 4. And next see children, 10. So x means 10. X of the left side we have smaller number. That one is 1. So x minus 1. We want to subtract here. That means 10 minus 1. That equal to 9. Okay children. Next, C. What is the C of in Roman numeral children? In Arabic also 100. So we have left side of the 100 smaller number of 10. X means 10 only. So C means 100. We have left side. That's why I am subtracting here minus 10. So 100 minus 10 means 90. So 100 minus 10 means 90. One more example is there children. M. M means what is the Arabic number? M in see children 1000. So write here 1000. So the smaller number is left side or right side here? Left side. So C means 100. So left side means we should subtract here. M. 1000 minus 100. So 1000 minus 100 means 900. Okay children? Copy these examples also in your syllabus. See children, next Roman. What is the given heading children? Write Roman numeral for each of the following. What is the heading children? Write Roman numeral for each of the following. See children, here given Hindu Arabic numbers. So we should convert into Roman numeral. See children, what is the given sum children? 184. 184. How to write 184? First we should write in the expanded form like that children. For easiest how to write it Roman numeral. First 100. Next one is 84 means 80 plus 4. So how to write children? For 100 means what is the Roman numeral for 100? C. So write C plus 80. 80 means how should we write children? 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 means L plus X plus X plus X plus 4. How to write 4? Like this. Okay, see. Okay children. C means 100. 80. How to write children? 80. 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. That should write like a 80. So 80 means 50 plus 10 plus 10 and again plus 10 and plus 4. So what is the answer? C L X X X 4. That means what is the value of in Roman numeral? 184. Okay children. Next sum see children. What is the given number? 18,940. So 18,940. First we should write 1800. 1800 out of 18,000. Sorry children, 18,000. How should write the 18,000 means? First we should write 10,000 plus 8,000 plus next number is 900. 900 plus 40. Okay children, plus 40. So children, for 10,000. 10,000 means what is the meaning of 10,000 in Roman numeral? See children, I am saying already bar. Bar means multiplied with the 1000. Multiplied by 1000 of the any given number. So we should write like a 10. 10 means X. 10,000. 10,000 means bar. X bar means what is the value in Hindu Arabic? X bar means 10,000 plus 8,000. 8,000 means write like 8 bar. Keep bar. That means 8,000 plus 900. How to write 900 children? We should subtract from 1000 to 10. So that means CM. CM. M means 1000. We should write left side of the 100. That means CM. CM means 900 plus 40. How to write 40 children? XL. XL. L means 50. Subtract 10 from L means 10. 10 means right left side of the greater number XL. So what is the answer children? X bar, 8 bar and CM XL means what is the value in Hindu Arabic children? 18,940. So 10,000 plus 8,000, 18,000. CM means 900, XL means 40. Okay children? And next one see children, write Hindu Arabic numeral for each of the following. See children, we are given the sums are in the Hindu Arabic Roman numerals children. We should convert into Hindu Arabic Roman numerals. Hindu Arabic numerals. What is the L bar? L means what is the L? L means 50. What is that children? 50. Bar. Bar means multiplied by 1000. One of the Roman numeral is multiplied by 1000 means that we call like a bar. So L bar means 50 into 1000. And next one, we have all the numbers left side or right side only children. That's why we want to add here. C bar. C means 100. And we should multiply by 1000. So 100,000. 100,000. And next one is plus 10. Plus 10. So what is the answer children? 50 into 1000. 50,000 plus 100,000. Plus 10. So what is the total value? 100 plus 50. 150,000. 150,000 plus 10. So what is the value children? 150,000 and 10. 150,000 and 10. Okay. See children? 50,000 plus 100,000 plus 10. What is the children? 100,000 plus 50,000, 150,000 and plus 10 means 50,000. Next one, children, what is the given Roman numeral? MMCXX4. What is that children? MMCXX4. See children, MM means 1000 plus 1000. That means 1000 plus 1000. See children, here we have all the Roman numerals right side only. That means we should add here. So 1000 plus 1000. And again C. See what is the value in C? 100. And next we have 10, 10. 10 plus 10. And again 4. So what is the answer children? 1000 plus 1000. 2000 plus 100. 2000 and 100 plus 20 plus 4. 2000. 124. What is that children? 2124. Okay children, these sums copy in your children. Thank you.